Beardsley Bears. How are you today?
Good morning, everybody.
It is a beautiful, little chilly Friday morning. It is already, I say this every Friday, but I just feel like we're coming to each Friday quicker and quicker and quicker, and it's November 20th. What? Have some exciting news about next week, though, that I'm sure you're all going to love. So before we get started with all of our fun announcements, Miss Mata, would you do the honor and lead us in the flag salute?
I would be honored. All right, everybody, if you could please stand and put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. And boys and girls, you may be seated. So just a couple of announcements. We actually have a pretty quick assembly for you today, but don't worry, because next week when we return from break, we're going to have lots of fun things happening. So do you know why? Do you know what, Miss Mata?
What?
These kids have been working so hard.
They have.
And the teachers have been working so hard. And the staff has been working so hard that I think we should give them next week off.
I agree.
Next week is no school. Okay, we know you're excited, but you don't have to scream in our ears. Yes, next week, no school, but really it is for Thanksgiving, and we want you to remember that next week we want you to stop and reflect and think about everything that you're thankful for. But again, today's your last day. You get to finish off hard, you get to work hard today, and then not only enjoy your weekend, you get to enjoy a full week off to be with your family safely. Remember to be safe in whatever you do. So that's some exciting news. We also, I'm gonna turn it over to someone right now, but we also, when we get back, we have some exciting news as well, because all of you have been working so hard, and on Wednesday, you should be receiving, if not today, over the weekend, your report card. So for any student in TK through 5th grade, you will be receiving your report card. Most of you will be very happy with it. Some of you will find just some areas you need help in, but what I noticed, because I read all the report cards, what I noticed is sometimes you might be getting a really good grade, or a 3 or a 4, but in your effort, sometimes we're not putting all of our effort into what we're doing. So I want to see this next round, a lot of those effort grades improve if they aren't already 4s. Because effort, even if you're not maybe passing every test, but you're trying, that could give you a 4. So let's look at that effort grade. And so parents, if you're listening, be on the lookout, because those are all being mailed this year, along with some progress reports. And then also for our middle school, mid-quarter progress reports were also mailed and emailed if you are making the mark. So look out for those too. But the fun thing that we want to share is that we might be virtual, but we're still going to recognize all of you for all your hard work. And we're going to go to your classrooms next Thursday. Well, actually 2 Thursdays, huh?
Yes.
2 Thursdays to recognize you for your trimester awards. But I'm going to stop there because I think somebody might want to share a little bit more about that. And guess who that is? You got it. Da 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 da! Miss Mata!
Yes, guys, like Ms. Romero said, we want to honor all of your hard work, because you, all grade levels, our entire school, we have all been working so hard. Your teachers have been busy.
Miss Mata! Miss Mata, you sound like a robot.
Oh no!
Are you in outer space?
Oh no!
Where did she go? no. Is she back?
Do you hear me? Am I okay?
I think it's kind of cool. I think you should just keep talking like a robot. What do you guys think?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
We understand what you're saying, Miss Mata.
Okay, then I'm going to keep going. As you tell me, Ms. Romero, if it gets too much. So anyway,
Okay.
yes. Okay, here we go. So you've been working so hard. We want to honor you because I can't focus. We want to honor you. So we are going to do all of those awards for kindergarten, for TK, for our first 2 5th graders. So we are going to come to your classroom during one of your Google Meets, and we're going to give you your certificates for outstanding, for improvement, for attendance, for teachers'
Citizenship.
and citizenship. That's right, because you guys have been working so hard. That's on the Thursday we get back from Thanksgiving break. Thursday. Did I say Thursday? Thursday.
Thursday. It would be Thursday, December 3rd.
That's right. That's on the Thursday. But then on the 4th of December, we also are going to be honoring students for Student of the Month for the month of November.
Which I remember.
Yes, for safety. So if you remember, my glasses keep falling. If you remember, we are focusing on safety. So we will be honoring Student of the Month. So 2 different times to celebrate all of your hard work. I'm really looking forward to it. Your
I'm looking forward
awards,
to it.
your Student of the Month awards, your work awards for the trimester, they will all be mailed to your house. And we're so excited to mail those out. Do I sound okay?
You do. I was just seeing if there was a spaceship behind you. I don't see a
left it outside
spaceship.
because it was too big in here. I couldn't bring it in.
Wow. Talk again. I think you're back to normal.
Am I back to normal?
You're kind of back to normal.
Right. So hopefully you caught that. Me sounding like a robot. I should have had my little
Normal.
on for today. It's not normal.
Not normal.
You
You know what? This is what you call perseverance, because even when technology goes, we keep going. We keep going. And you know what? We have a little fun with it. And so she sounded a little bit like an alien. It's okay. A robot. Did I say alien or robot? I forget. But you know what? A robot. She
they're
sounded
both in
like a
outer
robot.
space. They're in outer space. So
Yeah, it's all right. Okay, boys and girls. Well, that is exciting. We have trimester awards coming up. We have Student of the Month coming up. So excited. Oh! And you know what I saw kids wear this week, Miss Mata?
what?
On Wednesday? Do you know what they came to school in?
Let me guess. We just had our Spirit Day. I hope they're not wearing them today. Their pajamas?
Did you see all those pictures? Everybody came to school in their pajamas for Spirit Day. So
Pajama
thank you
days,
all of you that participated. It was great. Very good. Round of applause. Very, very good seeing all of you participate in Pajama Day. And I hope you brushed your teeth. I think you did. Okay. Boys and girls, again, we want to just thank you. As we say every week, we thank you. We thank the teachers. We thank the staff. Everyone is pulling together, working hard. And honestly, this is a very, very well-deserved week off, because I know for myself, and I'm sure Ms. Mata would agree, we are so thankful for all of you. All of you. So thankful for all that you do each and every day. Coming to school, parents, thank you for getting them online. Thank you for helping them with their work. We know this is not easy. And yes, I will say this every single week because it's the truth. We are very thankful for all of you. So thank you.
We are a team. We are a great team.
That is so true. And now you are back to normal.
Oh, whew. Maybe the glasses helped.
I think so. I kind of wondered where those came from, but then I thought, she sounds like a robot. She may look like a robot. Okay. Well, with that said, boys and girls, it is time to stretch. So everybody touch the ceiling and touch your toes and come back up and roll your shoulders back. Roll them forward and roll your head, but don't roll it too fast because it might roll off. And then for Miss Mata.
Gotta work those arms.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then take a big breath in. Breathe in all of the stress and anxiety and frustration and breathe it all out to let it go. One more time, big breath. Wow, that feels good, doesn't it?
It does feel good.
We are going to get our wiggles out. So in 1, 2, 3, again.
This chair! This time I really did fall.
You guys, we can't leave Miss Mata alone. She's just a robot today. She's falling out of chairs again. One more time. Hold on. Miss Mata, are you holding on?
Yes.
Is she holding on, boys and girls? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Oh, okay.
Do not let go.
Boys and girls,
What's happening?
I know that when we get back, we'll be recognizing boys and girls for acting safely. And I think Miss Romero needs to buy Miss Mata or give her a desk without wheels. I mean, a chair.
A desk and a chair without wheels. Yes.
A chair without wheels. What do you guys think? Stop laughing at us. They're laughing at us again, Miss Mata.
I think they're laughing at me falling out of the chair, but that's okay because I'm laughing too. So we're laughing all together.
And you're okay. Remember, we always say that. Okay. It's okay to laugh as long as they're laughing too. But you never want to make fun of somebody. Okay. Here we go. I don't know, Miss Mata.
I think we're ready for the chant.
I think we are too, but are you okay?
Should I get out of my chair? Maybe I should get out of my chair. Let me move it out of the way.
I think that will be the best and safest route to take.
Now I'm really tall.
Now you're tall again. But you know what? We'd rather you be tall than small laying on the floor from rolling out of your chair.
That is right.
Okay, here we go, boys and girls. Ready? In 1, 2, 3. I can and I will have
pride in myself and
my school. I can and I will have a positive attitude. I can and I will
make wise choices.
I can and I will
safely.
Very good, Miss Mata. I was making sure you were doing it safely. I can and I will. I can and I will.
I can and I will.
Make it a great day, boys and girls. Work hard today. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your week off. We're going to miss you next week, but we will see you the following week. Take care. Have a great week.
Computers and stay off of those screens. Go outside and play.
Safely.
That's right.
Yes, I agree. Get in your backyard. Get out on the street riding your bike safely. But yeah, take some time away from all that computer time. So make it a great day. The choice is
yours.